So, can you make aluminum strength parts without using aluminum? Actually, you can. So, aluminum parts are very often used in short-term tooling or anything else. They're a quick way to machine out some part that you may need in your process. And 3D printing is increasingly being used to make these jigs and fixtures as well. So the question is, can you make an aluminum equivalent part using 3D printing? And actually you can. And here's actually an example of it. This is a coupler piece that would have normally been machined out of aluminum. It is instead made out of carbon fiber nylon, which is not only a little bit lighter than aluminum, it is just as strong and a lot more rigid. Carbon fiber is a very, very durable material, but also in addition to its rigidity and its durability, it all makes it possible to make an aluminum equivalent part with it. Now there's some provisos to this, in that you couldn't make like these splines out of a 3D printed part because they'd be so brittle that they could get knocked off. But that doesn't really matter in the context of most structural aluminum pieces. You can actually 3D print them with FDM 3D printing with carbon fiber nylon to produce them. And this is what we do very commonly at Slant 3D. We have hundreds of 3D printers producing parts like this all the time in order to replace parts like this as machining becomes increasingly backlogged and lead times have been extending over the last year or so. So if you want to explore it a little bit more, go ahead and submit your design to us over at slant3d.com, and we will go ahead and get it quoted up with carbon fiber or some other equivalent replacement so that you can have your aluminum parts 3D printed. Thanks everybody.